Hello and welcome. I'm not here to tell you about Sous Vide and how to use it. I've been doing Sous Vide since, well, before 2013 when this first Anova came out. And I put a lot of miles, or should I say hours, on this guy. No, I'm here to tell you the difference between a regular consumer grade circulator and the Anova Pro circulator. These are limited to the number of hours and the number of gallons of fluid you can circulate. This one is basically unlimited. The difference is this one can handle a lot more liquid for a lot longer time, and in some cases even at a higher temperature. This one will do up to 100 liters or 26 gallons of water. That's a lot of water, but the thing is, this can go 24/7, 10,000 hours without stopping and cleaning it. This thing is built for the commercial kitchen, but nowadays, it's almost affordable to bring home. And if you do a lot of entertaining, or you do church parties or gatherings, then this may be what you need. I know I got it a couple of years ago for my barbecue business. I never really used it too much because I had a smoker and I went the traditional route. But this thing will do a half a dozen briskets. It'll do 14 tri-tips, which I've done. It will do a large amount of meat for you, and for the price it's a very affordable device. Tonight I'm doing a pork loin that I have already portioned, I seasoned, and I vacuum sealed it, and I froze it, and now I'm taking it straight from the freezer into the circulator and letting it go. Now again, this isn't a class or anything, but this will go for 6 hours because it's frozen at 137 degrees. That's long enough to get the meat done and properly pasteurized. And this is the best. We do this all the time, and it's the best method that I know of. So what I'm gonna do is finish unboxing this, get it started. It is 11 o'clock and I want this done by dinner time at 5, so I gotta get moving. All right, if you look at them side by side, they don't look that much different. They just have this is a little stronger built. It's got some plastic we have to get off of here, and we will do that really quickly. Now, this will attach to your internet or to an app on your phone. I won't get into that right now, but it is one of the features about this is that you can control and monitor this device from your smartphone. Just like the other one, this goes into a grounded 110 volt. This is kind of neat where you can just pull this out like that. Now, one thing this doesn't do, it doesn't adjust side by side like the old one did. But you can see there's more coils in here. I'm not sure what this is made out of. It looks plastic, but it's probably steel. And the other one's like a fan blade. This one looks like it's gonna push it a little harder. And there are 3 probes in here, 3 temperature probes, where in the other one there's only 1. And I suppose that if you needed to direct this differently, because in the old one, here, I'll show you. In the old one, you could turn this bottom piece and direct it where you want it to go. And just for the sake of argument, this is the old one. I haven't cleaned in a while, but you see it's not as ducted as the other one, and there's two probes. But this bottom piece, you could adjust where you want this. This is the controller. It's already going to work. I got to work on that just a little bit. This is the temperature that it's reading. You click out here to the side and you can adjust the target temperature up and down. This is in Fahrenheit. I'm going for 136.5. Half degree this time. I like that. Then if you don't press it for a while, it safeguards it. Then you press the time. You can go up in 5-second increments, or if you hold it, it'll go up by the hour. And then safeguard it again. It's start and stop right here on the bottom. And that's it. That's basically how to use the Anova Pro. This thing, you set this like this and leave it on for a week. It doesn't matter. That is That is my understanding. So I'm very well impressed with this, and I couldn't wait to share it with you. I hope you like it.